Hey, how's it going? I'm Luis Castillo. I'm a business and entrepreneurship student from BYU, Idaho. I also happen to have a certificate on teaching English to speakers of other language, which is a field that I have been working at for a few years now. And I heard actually in your company, in your school, you're trying to develop a curricula for children. And you got the right person here. I have been working with that for a few years as well. I have lots of experience with kids and class development for children, props, games, visual resources, and body language. All of that I have a lot of experience with. So, I feel that my knowledge could be very helpful for your company right now. Exactly, yes. I always say that the better the classes are, the more chances you have for the clients to stay. So I'm pretty sure that my knowledge could be very helpful for your business. You know what? I got my card right here. I'm gonna give it to you. Just give me a call and yeah, we'll set up for something. Have a good one.